Look at them. They're getting so chunky. Guess we might as well forget about the other three. They're getting so chunky. I guess TT Canary babysitting. Mom and Daddy feeding each other. And then whatever he feed her, she go down there and feed the babies. They starting to lift their head up, grow feathers, move around on their own. You had one earlier. I was gonna ask you for one. Another one. Look at Gemini and Leo. They done got so big. They the two right there. This Taurus right here, she the youngest. Well, I don't know what genders they are yet, but Gemini and Leo. Hey, Mama. Hey, Goddess. Hi. She making sure I wasn't doing none of her babies. She trusts me. But look at them. They trying to gather together to get warmth with each other while their mama away. I'm learning a little bit more about them. Like, I never had them since, like, eggs. I've always had them since they was, like, Easter age. I'm going to show you Easter. That's Easter, the green one. Green and yellow and gray. And Angel is the white one here. Canary is the yellow one. And Zeus is the blue one. So I don't know what color they're going to be yet, but you do see feathers growing. You see feathers. They playing with each other. He trying to catch up. Come on, Taurus, you can do it. You can do it. Hey, Goddess. Hi, Mama. Well, I guess that's it for today. Hi. Hey, Mama. How you doing? You doing good. I don't think they gonna do nothing, Mama. Her still trying. You a big girl. Yes, her is. Her a big girl. I love you. I love you, Mama. I love you.